Okay, let's scare the crap out of people, shall we? Look. Look at that. This will scare everybody. Get back!
Do you want me to,
don't make me use this.
try and hold it forward?
Good morning and welcome to the channel. Yes, it's another morning. It's Saturday morning and we're here at the airfield. And it's kind of a weird sky today. It's high cloud, but it's kind of a funny cast to the colour. It's not this new camera, I can tell you that. It's just that the cloud is doing funny things to the lighting. And here we go. Nobody here yet, just me. I'm the only one here. And wind, well, the wind sock is just hanging loose. Just hanging loose as it does sometimes. And 4K colour today, but yeah, just playing around with the new camera. And when I say the new camera, possibly the new camera, this is the demo model they sent me to evaluate and review. And I haven't taken my pills today, so we'll be testing the steady shot. So it's not doing too bad at the moment. The image stabilization is doing pretty well. And yeah, let's just pull out a bit so you can see things in a wider angle. And yep, nothing much to say. I'm waiting for Ron to turn up, and possibly Richard will be here today. I'm not sure. John may be coming. And this is suggesting to me that I increase the level of ND filter, but I'm not going to bother. There you go. Let's just, I might put the jug on, make a cup of coffee while I wait for Ron or whoever to turn up. Here we go. Look at this, eh? Richard's here. What's he got today? Let's go and check it out. What you got today, mister?
How's it going?
Good, mate. Mine's going well.
Yep.
Big planes. I see some big planes in here.
Yeah, I've got a big plane flying today.
She's stacked, mate. Stacked.
Let's get them out.
Oh. Much traffic on the road?
No, it's dead quiet.
Strange that, eh?
Yeah.
Who'd have thunk?
Stopped at the thing to get me a coffee and there was like no one there. And I was like,
Oh, no.
open and...
We've got coffee in the hangar.
Oh yeah, I wanted a fancy coffee.
Oh, fancy. Yeah, I got frothy coffee. You just stir it and add water. It's great. It's just like a real cappuccino, mate.
Yeah, that's it.
Except it tastes foul and it's not very nice.
Oh, I don't want instant coffee.
Yeah.
And it was like the shop was closed.
Bugger.
But there was only me there and everything was full. So
you got first class service then?
yeah, first class service. People didn't look like they wanted to be there though.
No, I can't blame them for that.
Go simulator. Pack the
So we've got someone else has turned up here now.
Just buy a jumper module.
Here we go.
That's what you could do.
And then you can bind to everything.
Yeah, multi-protocol. That's the secret, eh?
Yeah, about $80 when China opens.
If it opens.
Oh, they're open. We just haven't got any airplanes still.
Yeah, I know. That's the problem, isn't it? I got
Just
stuff.
getting stuff here from there, that seems to be the problem. Although, I have a parcel on the way.
Yeah, but how long will it take to get here, mate?
Well, that's the question. I know it's on the move.
Yeah?
Yep.
Your tracking number? It's
Yep.
working? Yeah.
I've got a tracking number and it got an update last night, so it's
Ooh.
on the move. I reckon it's going to be about 3 or 4 weeks.
Well, I got something that was shipped this week. Well, they said it was shipped, so we'll see how long it takes. I'll keep an eye on it.
Yeah, I want to buy another plane for myself, but I've told them that I'm waiting to see.
Buy it.
I'm waiting to see how long it takes this one to get here before I
Yeah. No,
get even money down and buy another one.
exactly.
Order for me, buy it.
There should be some huge sales eventually, eh? Massive sales as all the retailers scramble to get some cash flow. Because if no one buys anything for 6 months, it'll all be old stuff.
Well, have you noticed that Motion RC have started selling model tanks and model boats now?
No.
They're going to be the next Hobby King, I think.
They bought Hobby King stock.
Probably.
Cheap as chips.
Yeah, someone had to buy it.
Like 1/10 in reserve.
He said he's coming in. Of course, he should do an overhead. It's good practice at an airfield.
It's an auto gyro.
Is it a gyro? Okay. John. Beautiful landing, mate. Cracker.
The other way is to squirt some into it.
Yeah, they'd take the
Tie it on the back of the truck, we'll bump start it down the runway, mate.
Don't even wind a string around that spinner and give it a pull.
Oh, Ron. Look, Ron. That's terrible, Ron.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
There's no holes in there. Got a pin through it, yeah.
He's got the 20cc starter motor for the 50cc plane. It doesn't seem to work too well. But he has got the gloves on, see? Landed. You have to walk for it, mate. Yes, beautiful. That was fantastic. That's the weirdest Spitfire I've ever seen. It's the weirdest Spitfire I've ever seen, Ron. What about you?
What one?
Get one up there with the whirly wing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Makes it spongy.
It was coming in beautiful and I just gave it a tiny bit of elevator to level it out.
Yeah.
And it was
One thing I'm loving about this camera is the long battery life. I've been filming for over an hour and it's still got full battery according to the meter. I'm trying to get that motor going for bloody hours. Beautiful, John. So Richard's off to find his canopy, which fell off on his wing during a flight, and Ron's going to launch the shadow wing with the auto launch. That'll be interesting. What's got in there? Lunch. So this is Ash. He's a new visitor to the airfield, and you'll be a regular, mate.
Yeah, as often as I can.
Yeah, because you fly big planes, eh?
Oh, when they're flying.
Yeah. So you're one of those airline plane drivers.
Yeah, one of those horrible people.
So you're out of work.
he's one of those people we bitch about.
That's right.
Oh, you remember the Airline Pilots Union?
That's right.
You are. So everything looks like a drone to you.
Yeah, I'm flying a drone right now.
Have you got the directive? Everything's a drone. Yeah, we heard about that email. And he flies mode 1. That must make it hard to fly the airline as mode 1.
The plane flies itself, mate.
Oh yeah, you just flick a few knobs, eh? I hear Ron's in the air. I better film this. It could end tragically. So here's Ron, shadow wing.
Lift up there at the moment.
Put it into altitude fall mode. He's loitering. He's a loitering. The autofocus on this camera is actually really good because it's not blurring out very often against this grey cloud, which is good. I'm getting the hang of tracking now. It's my full zoom and I'm not unsteady as I was. Ah, he's downwind. Put some flap on, Ron. Get in that drain, get in that drain. Get in that drain, yes! Oh, wonderful, that was it. Hit that. Ron, what happened, mate?
I thought I was this side of the drain.
I don't think you are. Well, you might be now. Bits of it are. Here it is. It's in perfect condition. Look at that. Nothing wrong with that. They're tough as old boots, those wings. Tough as old boots.
Camera's bloody terrible.
Is it? That's good. Maybe it's that transmitter.